Welcome back. Let us go through the question. A three-wheeler starts from rest, accelerates uniformly with 1 meter per second square on a straight road for 10 seconds and then moves with uniform velocity. Plot the distance covered by the vehicle during the nth second versus n. Now the n might be 1, 2, 3, anything. What do you expect this plot to be during accelerated motion? A straight line or a parabola? So the initial velocity u is 0 as the three-wheeler starts from rest. And the acceleration is also given, which is 1 meter per second square. So in case of t equals to n seconds, we can calculate the value of the distance. So it is denoted by Sn, and we use the formula S equals ut plus half at square. So the value of u is known, which is 0. The value of a is also given, which is 1 meter per second square, and the t we assume it to be n. So for this particular, by applying this formula, we can get Sn equals n square by 2. Similarly, total distance traveled in n minus 1 second would be S n minus 1. So in place of n, we just simply put n minus 1 and we get the distance traveled in n minus 1 second. So it is n minus 1 square divided by 2. So if we want to know the distance covered in the nth seconds, we can simply subtract this from this, because it denotes the distance traveled in n seconds and it denotes the distance traveled in n minus 1 second. Therefore, the distance traveled in nth second would be given as Sn minus Sn minus 1, and it is denoted by Xn. So Xn is equal to n square by 2 minus n minus 1 whole square by 2, which gives n minus 1 by 2. Now after seeing this, we can conclude that this is a graph of a straight line. Hope it's clear to you. See you in the next one.